Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to see all liked posts from your Facebook, and here I show the steps for Facebook mobile user as well as Facebook desktop users. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So if you use this Facebook in mobile, just open this Facebook application. So now in this homepage section, you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and then tap your Facebook profile. So now in this profile section, you can press that 3 dots icon and then I get the option called activity log. So just press this option. So finally you can see now it shows me all activities, like what are the photos, videos and posts I like it. So if you scroll down, you get the details about your activity, and this is for Facebook mobile version. So next method is, if you access this Facebook via desktop, just go to your profile section. So same way you can press the 3 dots icon and then go to activity log. Finally I get to my Facebook activity details, but if you mistakenly liked any unwanted photos or videos, just tap that section and then retrieve this Facebook post like. So this is the way you can easily check your all Facebook activities by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.